Make sure that you're reading through this manual entirely. I can't cover everything that's in here, and I might interpret it differently as well, so it's your responsibility to read through this before using it. These are very available online. All you have to do is type in that model number, and it has it up there for free. You can find these very easily. They want to make sure that you do have the instructions for this. Okay, but at any time that we're changing the blade out, make sure that the battery is not in it. Okay, the safety should automatically be on because this has kind of the fail-safe safety where you have to push it and then operate it, and anytime you let go, it's on safe mode. Remember too, this blade can get extremely hot, so if you're going to change it out, make sure you wait so that you don't burn yourself trying to take this off right after a job or in between a job if you're switching the blade. So a few differences you'll notice right off the bat. This one uses an Allen key for you to replace the blade, where this one you actually do need a socket. 13 millimeter or 1/2 inch seems to be the best size to fit that. Okay, so if you try to loosen this up, it will just turn the drum. So you'll push down with your thumb here, that locks it. Then you can break this loose and this will come out. And so that's how you're going to remove and reinstall. So notice here's our bolt. Here's our piece here. It shows this side out, so you know that it goes there. And then that's on the inner piece, so that's where we're going to stop. Now, this is where we bring our blade in. Pull this down so that we have some room to get in here. So this is where you're going to slide this in. There we go. Then we're going to put this back on. So remember, that has to match when we're looking at the pattern. See how this is flat on the edges? Okay, so we want these to line up and match perfectly before we put our bolt back in. Okay, get it hand tight. And then this is where, again, we're gonna push down on this to lock our drum. Now we're going clockwise to tighten this. Okay, so push on that so that it's locked. And tighten that down. Okay, now the way that this works is you have to push this down to the forward unlock position. You can do it either way. It unlocks from this side or from this side. And then you have a variable speed trigger. And notice how those teeth are pointed up. So that's how you know that the blade's correct, because they should be spinning in that direction. Now notice how this one stops when we let off. That's that brake involved. This is nice that it has a light on it too.
So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Check the video description where I have a whole playlist of the other tools that I've reviewed and other playlists for fixing things and car repair, home repair. So if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.